Stars are falling to your hair, stars are falling to your lips, cell to cell and hand by hand. We are jumping from that